How to delete Netflix card details. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how to delete your card from Netflix. Whether you're switching your cards, cancelling, or just want to add more control over your payments, let's get right into it. So first of all, open up your browser and head over to netflix.com. Log in into your account if you haven't already. Now once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then you have to select account from the drop-down menu. After that, in order to access your payment information, next scroll down to the membership and billing section, then tap on manage payment information. On your screen, you will see the Netflix account billing screen. There, you have to add a payment method or cancel your subscription. Since Netflix does not let you completely remove your only payment method unless you add a new payment method or cancel your subscriptions. If you want to add a new card or PayPal, then you have to remove your old one. If you're trying to delete your card because you're cancelling, scroll down and then tap on membership. After that, confirm the cancellation and your card will no longer be charged. And that's how you remove or delete your card details on Netflix. If this video helped you, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.